Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Mindful Moments. Today we're diving deep into the transformative world of meditation, exploring 7 powerful ways you can weave this ancient practice into your everyday life. Whether you're a seasoned meditator or just starting your journey, these techniques are designed to help you find moments of peace, clarity, and inner harmony amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. Remember, mindfulness isn't about emptying your mind, but rather about becoming a compassionate observer of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. So, let's embark on this journey together, one mindful breath at a time. Imagine this: the soft glow of dawn, a gentle stillness in the air, and you taking those first conscious breaths of the day. Morning meditation sets the tone for the day, inviting peace and purpose before the day's demands. Find a quiet corner in your home, perhaps by a window where you can witness the sunrise. As you settle into a comfortable seated position, feel your spine lengthening, your heart lifting. Close your eyes gently and bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of each inhale and exhale, the gentle rise and fall of your chest. As you breathe, invite in a sense of gratitude for the gift of a new day, a fresh start. Allow yourself to simply be present in this moment, letting go of any worries or anxieties. Life can feel like a whirlwind, right? But you carry a secret weapon within you, your breath. Take mindful pauses to reconnect with it. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, and release tension. These mini meditations reset your nervous system. When was the last time you truly tasted your food? Not just ate it on autopilot, but really savored the flavors, the textures, the aromas. Mindful eating is about transforming meal times into meditations, bringing full awareness to the nourishment we receive from our food. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, and create a calm space around your dining table. As you take your first bite, pause to appreciate the colors, the smells, the presentation of your meal. Chew slowly and deliberately, noticing the different flavors that dance on your tongue. Pay attention to the textures, the crunch of a carrot, the juiciness of a ripe mango. With each bite, cultivate a sense of gratitude for the farmers who grew your food, the hands that prepared it, and the nourishment it provides your body. Chapter 4. Walking Meditation. Finding stillness in motion. Who says meditation has to be confined to a cushion? Walking meditation is a beautiful practice that allows you to bring mindfulness to the act of movement. Find a quiet place where you can walk undisturbed, perhaps a park, a nature trail, or even just a quiet street. As you begin walking, notice the sensation of your feet connecting with the earth, the gentle rhythm of your steps. Feel the air against your skin, the sun's warmth on your face. Engage all your senses as you move, noticing the sights, sounds, and smells around you. As you walk, let go of any thoughts about the past or future. Focus your attention on the present moment, on the experience of walking, breathing, and simply being. Chapter 5. Body Scan Meditation. Releasing tension, finding ease. As your day winds down, gift yourself the soothing practice of a body scan meditation. This practice helps you tune into your physical sensations, releasing any accumulated tension and promoting deep relaxation. Find a comfortable lying down position on your bed or on a yoga mat. Close your eyes gently and begin by bringing your awareness to your breath, noticing the natural rhythm of each inhale and exhale. Starting with your toes, mentally scan your body, moving slowly upwards. Pay attention to any sensations you notice, whether it's warmth, tingling, pressure, or tightness. As you move through each part of your body, imagine your breath flowing to that area, bringing with it a sense of relaxation and release. Chapter 6. Gratitude Meditation. Cultivating a heart filled with thanks. In the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to take things for granted. Gratitude meditation shifts our focus to what we have to be thankful for. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and think of one thing you're grateful for. Feel the gratitude in your heart and savor the feeling. Chapter 7. Evening Wind Down Meditation. Releasing the day, embracing the night. As the day draws to a close, it's time to unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Evening meditation can help you release the stresses of the day, quiet your mind, and ease into a peaceful slumber. Create a calming atmosphere in your bedroom, dimming the lights and perhaps diffusing some lavender essential oil. Settle into a comfortable position in your bed or on a cushion. Close your eyes gently and bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of each inhale and exhale, allowing your breath to guide you deeper into a state of relaxation. As you breathe, let go of any worries or anxieties from the day. Visualize them melting away like clouds in the sky. Outro. Until next time, stay mindful. As we conclude our journey through these 7 powerful meditation techniques, remember that consistency is key. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase your practice as you feel comfortable. Life's a journey, and incorporating mindfulness is like adding a beautiful soundtrack to your experiences. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more mindfulness tips and inspiration. Until next time, may you find peace, joy, and mindful moments in each and every day.